I am Professor Jyothi, Department of Computer Science, Sri Padmavati Women's University, Tirupati. Today, my lecture is on Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. What is Artificial Intelligence? Making intelligent machines. This is one definition of Artificial Intelligence, especially intelligent computer programs. So in this one, robot is the intelligent computer program machine. So that's why robot is the best example of artificial intelligent machine. So what is the philosophy of artificial intelligence? While exploiting the power of computer systems, the curiosity of human lead him to wonder, can a machine think and behave like humans do? So that is the creation of the robot. Definitely we know that creation of the human, curiosity of the human is nothing but robot. Thus, the development of AI started with the intention of creating similar intelligence in machines that we find regard high in humans. So whatever humans can do, artificial intelligence machines can also do. That is an example of Turing Test. It is a test of machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior. How does it work? How does Turing test? Generally, in Turing test, we have two rooms. One is in one room, player A is there, and another room, player B is there. Player A is human, player B is computer. So, using different written questions to it, but both are answered correctly. That means machine can think like human. That is the Turing test. So it is famous and important test in artificial intelligence. So this is the history of artificial intelligence. Okay. So started in 1923 itself. Now we are in the 2022. So now AI means, that is the artificial intelligence systems means. So there is no difference between human and artificial intelligence. So what contributes AI? AI contributes gaming, astronomy, healthcare, transport, agriculture, education, e-commerce, entertainment, so social media, data security. Though there is no limit for AI applications, we can implement artificial intelligence in any domain. Either it is humanities, or in science, or in engineering and technology. So that is the power of artificial intelligence. So what are the applications? So virtual facilitator. Nowadays, during pandemic, we used virtual platforms very well. Okay, so the virtual platforms are also very dynamic and intelligent virtual platforms. Okay, so and smart content, we developed smart content and automated grader, chat campus, data accumulation, personalized learning, adaptive learning, chatbot. So all these come under application of artificial intelligence in education. I think all of you know about this educational artificial intelligence applications during our pandemic situations. So in healthcare, nursing assistants, medical image analysis, drug discovery, artificial intelligence, assisted medical diagnosis, artificial intelligence assisted robotic surgery. Nowadays, robotic surgery is very famous in surgery in medical field, and automated workflow assistance, fraud detection, medical risk prediction, medical data security. All these are come under healthcare applications in artificial intelligence. Agriculture. So definitely artificial intelligence is useful, very much for farmers in agriculture. So pest control, crop yield, seasonal forecasting, enhanced IoT devices. Nowadays IoT devices using artificial intelligence are very much used, and drones are also very much used in the fields for pouring the pesticides and cropping. For all these ones we can use artificial intelligence. For better crop selection also. Not only agriculture robots, drones very much used in this artificial intelligence in agriculture. So e-commerce. So there is no doubt how artificial intelligence plays an important role in transferring e-commerce, online businesses. Even in online business, we have client-server technology developed, and what is that? User behavior. Based on the user behavior, it gives the information and it browses the information. We can select any item through visualized search engines and online search engines. So that's why e-commerce is nowadays every people, each and everyone is using this artificial intelligence in e-commerce in backend, but we don't know how it is used. But the service engines use this artificial intelligence very much and for their business. So how artificial intelligence is used in social media? Okay, so definitely we use so many things in the Twitter, Facebook, Google, Yahoo, LinkedIn. So these are the important ones. But along with we have different social media websites using this artificial intelligence to find out the state behavior of the users, to find out that to get the decision making based on the social media information. So that's why artificial intelligence plays important role to make decisions even in the stakeholders also. So this is the very importance of artificial intelligence in social media. Next, finance. So credit card and loan decisions. Nowadays, what is that credit score? How we can get the credit score? Based on the artificial intelligence applications. So anti-fraud system, any risk management, frauding, stock market predictions, sales forecasting, trading, personalized banking, all come under this artificial. They are using artificial intelligence. Now, not all come under the artificial intelligence. They are using artificial intelligence to make decisions, to give security and privacy to the financial systems. Okay. So this is the transport. Okay, traffic volume, traffic lights, signal lights. In GPS system, how much we have in GPS system? So heavy traffic. Whenever we have heavy traffic, the GPS system we will divert our route also. How is it possible? Through artificial intelligence only. So all these are and also traffic lights control that comes under this artificial intelligence. So detect empty parking stalls, particularly in cities. Parking is also very difficult. So to overcome that problem also, detect empty parking stalls and indicate the information to the vehicle owners. So and use data to better place the lanes and some other traffic rules also. And particularly in GPS system, we are easily now, even in the cities also, not necessary to ask any route. Just once we find the location, we can easily track the location using the artificial intelligence. So next, astronomy. So this is wonderful one. So artificial intelligence in astronomy. Previously, I saw one picture based on this astronomy, how they are using that radars and missions into the aircraft. So they are using this artificial intelligence system in the, what is that, I cannot understand their terms, that is liquid missions and solid missions. So they want to shift from solid missions to liquid missions, so using artificial intelligence. So just I saw the picture only, so that is the picture knowledge. Okay. But in that one, the scientists mentioned that through artificial intelligence, they shifted our, what is that, it helps reduce the cost of the astronomy also, reduce the cost of the systems to send into the what is the space. Okay, so that's why artificial intelligence, using artificial intelligence makes many wonders, even reduce making the system from one system to others, and also reduce the cost. Particularly we are the subjective knowledge. What is, I am telling about what is artificial intelligence, what are the applications. So we can use artificial intelligence for so many advantages. But how we can use that? This is the subjective knowledge of the artificial intelligence. Generally, knowledge representation is 5 types: declarative knowledge, structural knowledge, procedural knowledge, meta knowledge, heuristic knowledge. So what is declarative? What actually concepts, facts, objects, what we are using in the system, that is mentioned in the declarative knowledge. So problem solving knowledge and relation between the concepts and objects, so that is given in the structure. We can make it structure. First we have to identify the objects, then we have to make it structure, then we have to add the procedure. What is the procedure is nothing but what are the rules we have to provide, what are the strategies, those are come under this procedural knowledge. So definitely meta knowledge is nothing but knowledge about knowledge. Other type of knowledge also required for these objects. We have to describe that one into the meta knowledge. And finally heuristic knowledge, so that is expert knowledge. Here we require expert. For example, if we use that healthcare application, we need heuristic knowledge from medical doctors. If we want to develop one artificial intelligence application in agriculture, we need domain knowledge from the farmers and agriculture experts. So that is come under this heuristic knowledge. So this is the knowledge representation cycle. So first we have to learning, then perception, then knowledge representation, reasoning, and then planning. So this is the cycle of the knowledge representation here. So the perception component receives data or information from the environment. So learning, so perception, first we have to retrieve the data, then learning and knowledge representation. Knowledge representation and then reasoning. Both are in the we have to first we represent the knowledge, then send to the reasoning, to develop the reasoning. Then from the reasoning also we can get the knowledge representation. So finally from that one we plan that how to execute the component, how we can develop the product. So this is the cycle of knowledge representation in artificial intelligence. So what is the relation between knowledge and intelligence? Okay, so already we discussed that. So this is sensing, knowledge, action. Okay, so what is the decision maker? Decision maker whose actions are justified by sensing the environment and using the knowledge for giving the action. So this is nothing but knowledge and intelligence in artificial intelligence.